संध्या संदरी बोला।
Now please stop making noise, children. So we are here with the topic.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
The topic was measurement of temperature. Can you tell me how can we measure temperature? We can measure temperature with the help of a thermometer.
Thermometer.
So the next topic will be the thermometer. All of you have seen a thermometer? सब लोग एक thermometer देखते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
सबको पता है थर्मोमीटर कैसा होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
But now, as I am drawing this chemical thermometer, अभी आप लोग क्या देखते हो? डिजिटल थर्मोमीटर देखते हो, है ना? But the old look was like this, and a small capillary tube with, and it is calibrated. Okay? ये आपका स्ट्रक्चर का है थर्मोमीटर का, and reading a thermometer. It was also a technique. Nowadays we are getting it in डिजिटल फॉर्म में कभी थर्मामीटर देख रहा है ना, लेकिन पहले जो ओल्ड थर्मामीटर था उसका स्ट्रक्चर इस तरह का था, क्योंकि आपको कभी ग्लास ये में बना हुआ रहता था और इसके अंदर कौन सा मेटल फील्ड है? शाइनिंग मेटल, that is known as mercury. Although, as I told you about expansion, I gave you the example also that mercury is the only liquid metal which is present in the liquid state. Okay. Now we will read it in detail. These are the topics, and when we will go to clinical thermometer. So these are the topics to be discussed today. Let us start with measurement of temperature. Children,
Yes, ma'am.
first thing you have
Ma'am, आप mute है. Ma'am, आप mute है. Yes, ma'am.
जो साउंड आपके बैकग्राउंड से आ रहा है, पहले आप अपना माइक म्यूट करो.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. But children, just see the topics we have to study today in heat: measurement of temperature, the thermometer, reading a thermometer, and clinical thermometer. These topics today we will discuss. And for that, first of all, we have to see that measurement of temperature. We all have this experience that for measuring a temperature of our surrounding, temperature of our body, we need a thermometer. थर्मोमीटर की जरूरत होती है। तो that can be said as the, you can say, instrument through which we can measure the temperature. Then what is the structure of mercury in glass thermometer? You can see here that this mercury in glass, although it is the old one, nowadays we are using digital one, but still we have to study about it. So let's see. It is filled with a liquid metal and there is a kink or constriction. यहाँ पर देखोगे एक bend होता है, और this bend or constriction helps the mercury to be stable at the position which it has attained by coming in contact with hot object. Clear? और जब भी आप इस तरह के थर्मामीटर, क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर यूज करते हो, तो आप देखते होगे यू हैव टू पुट अ जर्क, एक जर्क देना होता है तभी उसका टेम्परेचर फॉल करता है. एंड देयर इज आल्सो अ ट्रिक टू सी द टेम्परेचर ऑफ योर बॉडी. एंड इसमें आपको क्या करना होता है, what happens in it when it is coming, this bulb is kept in contact with the body out either through the mouth or through the armpit. And then when it is, if your body is having fever more than the normal temperature, then that mercury will rise up, because mercury is a metal and it has the capability to expand. उसका expansion का nature होता है, और जब वो expand करेगा तो इस कैपिलरी ट्यूब पर जाकर किसी भी लेवल पर, either 98, 100, it is all calibrated here. यहाँ पर लिखा रहता है कि 96 है, 98 है, 100 है, 101, 2 ऐसे करके उसमें calibration रहता है. It is all marked in that, and the mercury will stop to that level where your body is having the temperature. जहां पर वो temperature fall करेगा, वहां पर mercury उससे increase करना बंद कर देगा, और जब वो increase करना बंद कर देगा तो आप, and it is a time period required, 1 minute or 2 minutes we put it in our mouth or armpit, and then we take it out and we watch it. By the shining level of that mercury in that glass tube, we can understand that our body temperature is normal or we are suffering from it. But this doesn't happen in your digital one. In the digital one, what happens? There also mercury is there, but it is all covered and only the numerical value comes in the screen which is fixed over there in the thermometer. Then after that, reading a thermometer. Reading we can do on the Celsius scale also and Fahrenheit scale also. And in this chapter, we are going to see that how it is correlated Celsius and Fahrenheit. So if it is normal room temperature is 23 degrees centigrade in centigrade, then it will be 72 degrees Fahrenheit. In the comparative study is given. Normal human body temperature is 36.9 degrees centigrade and normal body temperature is 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Then water boils at 100 degrees centigrade, but if we calculate in Fahrenheit, then it is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Then water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade, but in Fahrenheit it is 32 degrees centigrade. The range of laboratory thermometer can be from -10 to 110 degrees centigrade. And here it is the least count of measurement of instrument in the smallest quantity that can be measured at per the calibration of that instrument. So if we are going to measure about or compare about the difference in the reading, अगर हमको find out करना है कि least count का difference thermometer में क्या क्या आ रहा है, तो उसको हम किस formula से निकालेंगे? जो formula आपका दिया हुआ है 64 पेज में, least count of the instrument by can be calculated by difference between two marked reading and total number of division between them. ये आपको फॉर्मूला, बट इट इज नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ये जस्ट फॉर नॉलेज आपको दिया हुआ. Then what about clinical thermometer? Here, see children, in page number 65, the picture of your digital thermometer is also given. And here, clinical thermometer, what are the, how does the clinical thermometer differ from ordinary thermometer? Ordinary mercury in glass thermometer. Clinical thermometer is calibrated from 35 to 42 degree. This is so because this is the range over which the temperature of normal human body can vary. यही टेम्परेचर है जिसके अंदर वो हमारा बॉडी का टेम्परेचर रहता है. That it has a slight bend or kink in its capillary tube, and this kink gives the constriction, name constriction. What I told you just now, यहाँ एक bend होता है और इसी से इसका नाम दिया हुआ है constriction. But what is the use of that constriction? इसको plain क्यों नहीं बनाया गया? Plain इसलिए नहीं बनाया गया because if you have to hold the temperature, अगर आपको body का temperature देखना है, so for some time it should be there. The level which has risen of mercury will be there for some time. Should be there so that आप children stop talking.
Should I can there कुछ?
Sneha Kumari. Okay. If it will be remaining over there for some time, कुछ time के लिए अगर आपका temperature वहाँ hold नहीं करेगा, तो how will you check? If it is straight, it will quickly fall down. तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आपके body का temperature कितना है. तो इसी के लिए इसका structure kink या constriction की तरह बना हुआ. Clear? Now, one of you. Abhigya. Abhigya Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read it. Read from measurement of temperature. आप लोग कल पढ़ लिए थे पूरा thermal expansion? Yes, we have completed now.
Yes, ma'am.
Effects of heat also we had completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Reading हुआ था? Reading हुआ था या नहीं हुआ?
I'm reading हुआ था.
Okay. Then let us start from page number 62. 62 से पढ़ना है.
We now know that the heat is a form of energy and temperature is an indicator of that energy. We often feel that we can get an estimate of the temperature of a body by just touching it. However, through our senses to give us an idea of temperature, they are often unreliable and misleading. For example, if we remove an ice tray and a packet of frozen vegetables from the freezer compartment, the ice tray may appear colder to your hand to both at the same temperature. We therefore need a more reliable method to know the relative hotness or coldness, that is the temperature of a given body. We use special instruments of this purpose. All such instruments or devices are known as thermometer. Ma'am, activity भी पढ़.
Okay, just wait a minute. What it is trying to say that अगर आपके पास कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं है मेजरमेंट का, तो आप किसी टेम्परेचर का assumption ही कर सकते हैं. Assumption कर सकते हो in the sense that this is colder, this is hotter, okay, by our experience, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So, and we cannot give the accurate measurement of the temperature. Accurate measurement temperature का जानने के लिए we have this particular instrument, that is the thermometer. इसी
Yes.
के रीडिंग से हम ये बता सकते हैं कि आपका बॉडी का टेम्परेचर, एनवायरनमेंट का टेम्परेचर कितना है ना। अभी क्या कंटिन्यू?
मैम एक्टिविटी भी।
एक्टिविटी इज जस्ट अ कंपैरिजन, ये आपको एक कंपैरिजन बता रहा है, इसको रीड करने की जरूरत नहीं है। पेरेंट का टेम्परेचर, लाइकली पर्पसेस, दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड। थर्मोमीटर पढ़िए।
The thermometer. Yes, ma'am. We find that many of the physical properties like thermal expansion, pressure, volume of different materials change with temperature in a regular and systematic manner. We can therefore use these properties as a way of measuring temperature. The simplest thermometer with which we all are familiar is the mercury in glass thermometer. It is based on the thermal expression of mercury. This thermometer is shown in the figure here. It consists of a narrow capillary tube of glass that is closed at its upper end and has a bulb at its lower end. The bulb is filled with mercury. Inside the capillary tube, we can see a small shining thread of mercury. The mercury present in the bulb of the thermometer expands with heated. When heated, the extent of its expansion and therefore the length of mercury thread in the capillary tube depends on the extent of heating of the thermometer. This in turn depends on on the temperature of the object with which the thermometer bulb has been put in contact. The length of the mercury thread in the thermometer can thus give us a measure of the temperature of the object. Yeah.
So we have 1 minute. We have discussed about that the structure of the thermometer is like it has got a bulb at one end and it is covered with glass on the other hand, and there is a thin fine tube which carries or which holds this mercury, and it's as there is a tendency of mercury to expand on heating, so it will rise and fall in that king or that thin tube or which is known as capillary. That but
Yes, ma'am.
this one property is that one physical property which depends on temperature, that is expansion. Expansion we have discussed, but about pressure and volume. Pressure and volume in the environment is also one of the factor for rise and fall of temperature. Expansion is one thing. Expansion तो आपको हम बताए थे, growing, enlarging, increasing, that is expansion. But pressure and volume is also very, very important factor for the change in or variation in temperature of a particular place or particular surrounding. And
Yes.
in this structure of glass thermometer, what all points you can say? Structure में क्या क्या बोल सकते हो कि पहले तो वो glass का बना होता है, it is made up of glass. It has got a small bulb which is filled with mercury metal.
Yes.
This is connected with a thin capillary tube. I'm just making the that paragraph easier for you to understand. आपके लैंग्वेज में जो दिया हुआ है बुक में, उससे इजी वे में आप उसको कैसे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो. तो इफ यू लर्न एनीथिंग पॉइंट वाइज, देन यू विल रिमेंबर better. So here what we have done, one thing that is, it is made up of glass, then it is covered from both the side. At one end it is connected with a bulb which contains a mercury, which is a metal, and this mercury is connected with a thin fine capillary tube which is responsible for expansion when it comes in contact with hot bodies.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? तो इस तरह से आप उसको अगर एक्सप्लेन करोगे, अपने आप में समझने की कोशिश करो, then that will be easier. आगे पढ़िए.
Do you know mercury expands in a uniform way and also remains in its liquid state over a wide temperature range. It is also does not stick to the wall of the glass capillary tube and is a shining silver liquid. It is because of this reason that mercury is often used in ordinary thermometer. Read.
Okay, this is also, wait a minute.
Yes.
One very important fact is that it does not stick to the walls. Walls पर एक भी molecule उसका stick नहीं करेगा. अगर वो fall करेगा तो completely fall करेगा और rise करेगा तो completely rise करेगा. This is a property of mercury. तो उसके कारण ये metal क्या है? सबसे appropriate है temperature reading के. Yes.
Yes.
Reading a thermometer.
Reading a thermometer. For measurement purpose, the temperature scale is calibrated to assign a numerical value to a given temperature. Depends on the purpose and use of a thermometer.
Depending
Yes,
on the purpose.
depending on the purpose and use for a thermometer. Use of a thermometer. Yes, ma'am. Two fixed reference points, lowest temperature and highest temperature are chosen. The difference in the temperature of the two fixed reference point is called the range of the thermometer. The interval between these fixed points is divided into an equal fixed number of divisions. Two scales that have yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Two scales that has been in common use as the Fahrenheit and the Celsius scale. Most of the countries now use the Celsius scale to measure the temperature of an object. Our school laboratory thermometer is one such thermometer.
Okay, so here what we have to see that the difference in the temperature of two fixed reference point is called the range of thermometer. दोनों के difference में fixed range means the lower level and the higher level. That is known as the range of the thermometer. उसको range of thermometer बोला जाता है. And it is divided into particular number of divisions. कुछ number of divisions है और two common scales which are worldwide used. That is Fahrenheit and Celsius scale. ये दोनों जो world wide temperature finding के लिए use होते हैं, that is your Fahrenheit scale and your Celsius scale. So here in India we follow both. हम लोग दोनों follow करते हैं और इसीलिए आप देखते होंगे थर्मामीटर में दोनों मेजरमेंट लिखा रहता है. डिजिटल में नहीं रहता है, बट जहाँ कैलिब्रेटेड वाला ओल्ड वाला आपका ये रहता है तो उसको को इंसाइडिंग टेम्परेचर लिखा रहता है. बॉडी का अगर 36.9 भी लिखा रहेगा उसमें और आपको 98.4 भी लिखा रहता है. 0.4 तो आपको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है बिकॉज स्मॉल कैलिब्रेशंस आर ओवर देयर. मार्किंग एकदम छोटा छोटा है तो आप उसको कैलकुलेट करके निकाल सकते. उसके बाद आ जाइए क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर पर. ये तो डिफरेंस आप लोग को बता ही दिया है हम दोनों. कंपैरिजन ऑफ फ़ारेनहाइट एंड सेल्सियस स्केल रीडिंग. तो दैट यू शुड रिमेंबर. ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन इससे भी फ्रेम किया जा सकता है. ओके, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन इस टैबलेट चार्ट से भी आ सकता है, तो इसको आप याद कर लीजिएगा. और एक ये जो पॉइंट है आपका द रेंज ऑफ लैबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर, ये बहुत कॉमन एग्जांपल ये क्वेश्चन है जो कि कभी कभी बच्चों से ओवरलुक हो जाता है. तो यू जस्ट पुट अ टिक मार्क, वहां एक अंडरलाइन कर लो कि उससे भी क्वेश्चन बन जाता है. ठीक है. देन क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर. क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर के बारे में पढ़िए.
Yes, ma'am. We use a specially designed and calibrated mercury in glass thermometer to measure our body temperature. Such a thermometer is known as the clinical or doctor's thermometer. The clinical thermometer differs from an ordinary mercury in glass thermometer in two respects. It is calibrated from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius only. This is so because this is the range over which the temperature of the normal human body can vary. Second, it has a straight bend or click in its capillary tube. This click is given the name constrictions. Constriction. The constriction ensures the mercury thread does not fall back by itself after this thermometer has been used to measure the temperature of a person. The reading can therefore be taken conveniently. This would not
Conveniently.
conveniently. This would not be the case if an ordinary laboratory thermometer was used for this purpose.
So this is the basic difference between clinical thermometer and ordinary mercury in glass thermometer, that it is calibrated. Calibrated means marked the level, the lower level and the upper level. 35 degree to centigrade to 42 degree centigrade, because at this range only the human temperature varies. Then slight bend or kink, I told you, that is in its capillary tube, which is also known as constriction. And the purpose of that constriction is to ensure that it does not fall back immediately, and we can take the temperature of the body conveniently. आराम से हम उस temperature को read करेंगे, और इसी के कारण जब तक आप उस थर्मामीटर में एक जर्क के साथ उसको हटाओगे नहीं, उसको फॉल डाउन नहीं करवाओगे, तब तक वो टेम्परेचर गिरता नहीं है, वो डज नॉट फॉल. नेक्स्ट, डू यू नो, पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes, ma'am. Do you know the normal human body temperature is the average body temperature of a large number of healthy persons. It is quite closer to 36.9 degrees Celsius or 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Body temperature close to 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degree Fahrenheit indicates a condition of high fever. Nowadays, digital electronic thermometers are preferred over the conventional mercury thermometers. These thermometers are easily to read as they given a LCD display of the temperature of the person. They are also mercury free.
Okay, now here normal temperature is 36.9 degree, that is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. But if it is if a person is having 40 degree centigrade temperature, then it is just comparatively it is 104 degree Fahrenheit, which is a condition of very high fever. In that condition, the person may have any type of attacks, and they should contact the doctor and take medical aid. Or then, as I told you, that there are digital thermometers also, and that is LCD displays are there. We can just watch we will not see the rise and fall of that mercury, but we will only see the exact temperature of the body through the displaying numerical. Here you can see the activity देख लो.
Yes. Ma'am, read कर ले.
हाँ, read कर लीजिए.
Okay, ma'am. To measure the human body temperature using a clinical thermometer. Before measuring the body temperature, wash the thermometer with an antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly and give it a few jerks. The jerks will bring the level of mercury below 35 degrees Celsius. Now place the thermometer gently under the tongue of the person being observed. Let it remain there for about 1 minute. Now take out the thermometer and note its reading. While reading, keep the line of the straight along the convex meniscus
of the level of the mercury.
Of the level of the mercury in the thermometer. This is the body temperature of the person under observation.
It is just the steps described that how we can watch the temperature or read the temperature of a particular person. Suppose
अच्छा.
anybody is suffering from fever, then how we will watch it or how we will see the read the temperature. So we have to first wash it with the help of water or antiseptic और उसके बल्ब को, क्योंकि वो हर एक पर्सन के माउथ में जाता है, तो उसको आपको जेंटली रखना है उसके टंग के नीचे फॉर 1 मिनट एंड विथ फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मिनिमाइज द टेम्परेचर टू नॉर्मल उस थर्मामीटर का. उसके बाद उसको वॉश कर लीजिए एंटीसेप्टिक और वाटर, रनिंग वाटर से, एंड देन यू पुट इट इन द माउथ ऑफ दैट ऑब्जर्व पर्सन, टू बी ऑब्जर्व पर्सन, और उसके बाद आप उसके माउथ में 1 मिनट के लिए छोड़िए एंड देन टेक इट आउट एंड जस्ट रीड द that reading by just moving at the convex meniscus, means it is just having a type of, you can say, cut which is in the form of convex meniscus, convex lens, या इस तरह का आप समझो, क्योंकि वो ग्लास के अंदर है, तो आपको थोड़ा सा उसको रोटेट करना होगा और तब आप उसको रीड कर पाओगे आराम से. So that will give you the reading of that particular person. Now we have not marked the hard words. तो इसको hard word.
मैम
हाँ बोलिए.
मैम अभी पीछे मैम उस एक्टिविटी का अभी पीछे और भी पार्ट है.
के पीछे और है.
यस मैम.
वही कंक्लूजन है, कॉशन लिखा हुआ है. कॉशन ये है कि अगर बच्चों को आप मेजर कर रहे हैं तो मर्करी चूंकि पॉइजनस है इसलिए उसके माउथ में नहीं जाना चाहिए, और बच्चों को अगर माउथ में अवॉइड करना चाहिए देना, उसको आर्मपिट से चेक करना चाहिए, बिकॉज इफ अ ड्रॉप ऑफ मर्करी ऑल्सो, a small drop will also go in the mouth, that can create poison in its body. So we should not put in the smaller children, those who don't know about it, जो elderly person है उसी को माउथ में चेक. ठीक है. Now come to this hand word and align कर लीजिए आप लोग from the first page से कर. 59 sensation, uncomfortable, cemented, temperature, trembler,
मैम मैम वाइस वर्सा.
वाइस वर्सा का मतलब होता है जो बात आप बोल रहे हो उसका ऑपोजिट. ठीक है. जैसे बॉडी फ्रॉम क्या है, द मोर इज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द बॉडी द हॉटर इट इज. तो जितना ज्यादा बॉडी का टेम्परेचर होगा उतना गर्म होगा. तो अभी हम क्या सोच सकते हैं कि जितना कम बॉडी का टेम्परेचर होगा उतना कोल्डर होगा. तो ये जस्ट ऑपोजिट के सेंस में यूज होता है. ठीक है. Surroundings, existence, next page, existence, then indicator, just above that constituents, then next page, appropriate, refrigerator, converted, thermal expansion, next page 62, estimate, compartment, instruments, next page thermometer, systematic, narrow, capillary, expansion, numerical, calibrated, Fahrenheit, Celsius. So, in page number 65, clinical doctor's thermometer, concentration. And for today's word homework, you will learn all the hard word and read once again, read the chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Anybody has any problem? किसी को कोई दिक्कत है यहाँ तक? Anybody? If you have any problem, you can discuss.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So work is to read the chapter and to learn the hard word. This is your work for clear. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye.